Hellacious,
Now, repeat after me.
hellacious, hellacious. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning, hellacious is a slang term used to describe something extremely intense, difficult, or overwhelming. It can refer to a situation that is harsh or painful, but it can also be used in a positive way to describe something impressively intense, like a thrilling event or experience. Think of it like this. If something is so extreme that it feels almost hellish, you might call it hellacious, whether it's a tough challenge or an epic event. In a sentence, the hike was hellacious, but the view at the top was absolutely worth it. Here, hellacious refers to the extreme difficulty of the hike. Let's try another example. She had a hellacious week at work with constant deadlines and back-to-back meetings. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using hellacious. Synonyms. Some related terms for hellacious are brutal, something extremely difficult or harsh; grueling, something that requires great effort and endurance; antonyms. The opposite of hellacious would be easy, something simple and not difficult at all; mild, something gentle and not intense. Part of speech. Hellacious is an adjective used to describe something that is extreme or very intense, whether positive or negative. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.